The best financial decision I ever made was removing myself from the savings process entirely. I set up one automatic transfer, and in 11 months, I had saved more than in the previous 3 years combined. Here is exactly how to do it. Saving what is left over at the end of the month never works. There is always something else for leftover money to go toward. Automation removes the decision, and decisions are where savings go to die. Move savings to a separate account on the same day as every paycheck. Even $25 done automatically beats $200 you intended to save. Out of sight and out of your checking account means out of temptation. Log into your bank online right now. Create a recurring transfer to a savings account for every payday. Name the account, emergency fund, vacation, house. Give it a purpose. $25 per week to an emergency fund. $50 per month to a vacation fund. $100 per month to retirement through a 401k or IRA auto contribution. Check the balances once a month, not the individual transfers. Watching the total grow creates powerful positive reinforcement. A savings tracker that shows all accounts at once makes this satisfying. The free savings tracker in the description shows all your accounts and goals on one page. Watching them grow is the best motivation to leave them alone. Link below. New Money Tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.